Well, guys, I know I showed you guys about my John Deere 210, right? Well, I don't know when, but hopefully soon, I'm gonna get this. I'll bring this home with me. See if we can get it here. Oh, that's a big spider. So lift this thing up a little bit. Has to be complicated, doesn't it? See? It has gears. That's first. That's second. That's reverse. And that's neutral. There's a lever that you gotta pull up. Keys it right at. Steering wheel turn. Oh, no, it's got. It turned, but the thing's buried in the ground, so. But, yeah. That's what the tractor looks like. Underneath there. So. Hopefully I can bring it home sometime soon. Oh, there's no spark plug in it. Well, there you go, guys. To LTS Craftsman. Well, guys, take it easy.